Hello everyone, we welcome you all to our YouTube channel Pyar Ka Pitara. Today we will be showing you how to make nachos out of your leftover rotis, and we will also be showing you how to make a dip out of hung curd. So to start with, we have leftover rotis. Sometimes we worry that extra chapatis are left and what can be done out of them. So do not worry, we have a very easy snack for you. And for the dip we will need hung curd. I will be sharing the recipe link in the description below for the hung curd. Along with that we will need some chopped vegetables like chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum. I have taken red capsicum. You can even take green and yellow capsicum, and some chopped chilies. Along with that you will need some olives, some oregano and chili flake seasonings. You will need some boiled sprouts. I have boiled them for 5 minutes in hot boiling water and drained the water out. You will need mayonnaise. I have taken veg mayonnaise and it is totally optional. You will need some salt, pepper also. So let us begin. First we fold our chapatis and cut them into triangles. I am using kitchen scissors to cut them. You can use even knife if you do not have separate scissors for your kitchen purpose. So I am cutting my chapatis into small triangles so that you get a nice and perfect shape for your nachos. Just see how to cut them. See how nicely these triangles are cut. Now you also cut your remaining chapatis. I have 7 to 8 chapatis here. Alongside I have heated the oil, and now I will fry my chopped chapatis into this oil. These chapatis have to be deep fried. I have taken mustard oil. You can take any vegetable oil. It has to be hot and you have to fry them on a high flame, and these chapatis fry very fast. So within half minute you will see that these chapatis have turned nice, crisp and brown. You just have to fry them evenly on both sides. So keep moving your chapatis. Do fry them in batches of small number. Do not fry all the chopped chapatis together and then you remove them. Just make sure that you do not over fry them. It can burn your chapatis. So like frying them for half a minute is enough. Extra frying will burn these chapatis, so they won't taste good. So please make sure that once your chapatis start turning slight brown, they are ready, they are done, and it's time to remove them and transfer them to a plate. So I have fried all my chapatis. Now I will remove them in a plate, and then to remove the excess oil I will transfer them in a tissue paper. So this tissue paper will soak the extra oil. If you are too much health conscious, you can again transfer them into another plate with the tissue paper on top of it, so that all the extra excess oil is soaked by the tissue paper. Once we have transferred all these nachos on the tissue paper, we will add some chaat masala to it. As we have not added any salt or any spices to it, these nachos are blend right now, and you need to add some taste, some flavor to these nachos. So I am adding chaat masala here. You can add whatever flavor you like. So I am adding 3 tablespoons of chaat masala for almost my 7 to 8 fried chapatis, and I will mix them nicely while they are still hot, so that the chaat masala is evenly coated on all the chapatis. Once I am done with mixing, I will transfer them in a airtight container. Now for the dip, you will need 1 big bowl of hung curd. The recipe for hung curd I have shared in the description below. So I have taken 1 big bowl of hung curd. Now you need to mix your hung curd nicely. Do not over mix it. Just give it a mix for half a minute so that you remove all the lumps from it and it becomes of a pasty texture. See how nicely and how fast this hung curd became soft and pasty. Now I will be adding my chopped tomatoes to it. Just make sure that you do not add tomatoes with the seeds in it. You remove the seeds and you add the tomatoes. I have taken half bell pepper, that is half capsicum. You can take any colored capsicum, even green colored or yellow colored, and I have taken one chili because my chili was too spicy. Now we will transfer all these vegetables into this. I am not adding onions to it because onions do not taste that good in this dip, so please avoid using onions and add capsicums, tomatoes and green chilies to it. Once all my vegetables have been added, I will mix them nicely. See, they are mixed nicely and properly. Now it's time for me to add some boiled sprouts to this dip. So I am adding 5 teaspoons of boiled sprouts to my dip. You can even use boiled rajma or boiled kidney beans in this dip. Even they taste very good. It is up to your choice. I wanted to make it much more healthier, so I have taken boiled sprouts. You mix them nicely. Now I am adding some olives. I am adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of chopped olives, and again I will mix all of the ingredients together nicely. So now my dip looks colorful and everything has been mixed properly. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise to this. I am adding veg mayonnaise and this is a totally optional step. I like the texture and taste of mayonnaise, so I add this to my dip, but it is totally optional. If you don't like mayonnaise, you can just avoid this step. Now it's time to add some salt to this. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add salt to your taste and you can actually adjust salt later on. So try avoiding adding excess salt in the beginning. You can adjust the salt later according to your taste. Now I am adding some pepper powder. I have added 1 teaspoon of pepper powder to it. It gives a lot of nice flavor to my dip. Now I am adding some pizza seasoning or oregano seasoning. Whatever you have, you can add to it. It gives a very nice flavor to your dip. And I will be adding half a teaspoon of chili flakes to it. Do not add excess of chili flakes, otherwise it will become too spicy, because we already have added pepper to it. Now we will be transferring this in a bowl. Our dip is ready and we are transferring nicely in a bowl, and we will serve them with our hot nachos. So your hot nachos and dip is ready. You can garnish your dip with some olives and some more seasoning. I hope you all enjoyed this video of how fast and easy snack, that is nachos, was made out of rotis. So if you liked and enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we always come to you with such amazing videos. Please do write your comments. Thank you.